Hello. Today I want to talk about my yesterday's experience. Yesterday I attended a class for deep meditation and vision, which was provided by Andrew Wayfinder. He is an author, a shaman and a guide. As I have had experiences, spiritual ones and also psychedelic ones, and I have attended different kind of meditations, and I'm making also like active meditation workouts. So all the concept wasn't new to me. So I was thinking that I couldn't experience anything new, but I was wrong. This session was really great. I didn't expect that I will feel like that, and I will feel some tickling, some electricity in my body. I could feel the energy moving through my body, and also the visionary side of all this class was amazing. For me, I haven't ever been so deep into my head, visualizing all the things. Now I have my own garden with a lake, and in middle of lake there is Island, not big one, only couple of trees. But yeah, I made all the vision in my head. I have been once in that place, and I also want to get one more time back, but for now this will be my imaginary safe space where I can leave all the bad thoughts and get some new energy in. And also these drum sessions, these drum workouts, which were guided all the time when I was in this meditative state. There was in background drums. I think they helped a lot, and right now I just want to try this method, this drum setup on my own without guidance. I think it also could be a great experience. So maybe next video I will talk how this did go. So thank you. And if you are interested in these three things, look at my description. I will put Andrew's homepage, and you can read more about what he's doing and how can he help you. Thank you, Andrew.